Hi everyone, this is Elaine from Guangzhou SIPUXIN Cosmetic machinery. Now let me introduce customized 500 liters single level mixer for you checking here. Look, the machine is used for mixing cheese, producing mayonnaise, sauce, etc. products. Let me introduce its machine construction first. Look, this is horizontal motor. Siemens brand. The power is 7.5 kilowatt. This is reducer. This is cleaning bowl inlet, liquid inlet, controlled by pneumatic control valve. They are mounted on the top. There are two covers in the top tank, and one side with one grid. The grid is made of stainless steel SUS316. Its thickness is 5 mm. You can see this is a sensor switch. It can sensor the grid's location. When we open the cover, the light is off. When we close the cover, the light is on. You can see there is a rubber seal on the lid. There's no any sharp. Okay, let's open it again. When we open the lid, you can see the inner structure, a mixing pedal, side with Teflon plan. Its thickness is 16 mm. It can bear weight. At the bottom is homogenization head. Its speed is 0 to 3000 RPM. Look, it's temperature probe. It can sensor the temperature of material inside the tank and provide feedback to the control panel. This is discharge valve. When the product is finished, we can discharge it from here. You can see there are two sensor switch. 1, 2. When the cover is open, is closed, the light is on. When we open the lid, the light is off, and the mixing process will be stopped. When we close the cover, the sensor is on. The mixing will be committing. This is a cooling pole. When it connect with the mechanical C. When we need to start the homogenization, we can put water into here, and water will flow into here and return back again. This forms a water circulation cooling system. This is a homogenizer motor, Siemens brand. The power is 37 kilowatt. It has very strong power. It is separated from the homogenization head due to high limitation. Okay. And see, this is plug-in head. We can combine electrical wires with a heat. And then over here, plugging it into here. And then we can turn on the master power switch, and the freeze is on. This is electrical controllables. Siemens panel with protected cover. It is waterproof. This is a low cell system. It can sensor the weight of a material inside the tank and provide feedback to the panel. Let's push it in. Open it. You can see electrical component. Schneider master power switch. Siemens brand. Schneider emblem. ABB frequency converter. It can adjust mixer speed. It can adjust homogenizer speed. High configuration. Okay, I have finished the introduce of machine construction. Let's go operate it. You can see this is liquid lab. You can see the liquid will flow here. And the CIP they are comprehended to the cleaning bowl and liquid lab. We can see here allow screen. If there's anything happens, we can see some data. It doesn't appear any data, so the machine doesn't have any problem. Okay, it's okay. So the next time, let's go operate it. Siemens panel. We click here. Choose English wheel. Let's set the parameter. Speed set. BC motor. We can set the BC speed is 20 RPM. Confirm. BC time. We can set 3 minutes. Confirm. Let's start mixing. You can see the dynamic drawing. Mixing is missing. When we open the cover, the mixing is installed. But we can remove this function through click here. We can continue mixing. we can set the mixing speed. Too fast, we can set 60 RPM. Confirm. The mixing is so fast. When we remove the safety switch, the mixing will be stopped. Okay, let's start whole batch dizer. Also, we can set the parameter speed set whole batch dizer motor. The speed we can set 50 RPM. Cover battery. The set time is 2 minutes. Confirm. We can set the time more than 5 minutes. Start whole batch dizer. You can see the dynamic drawing. The whole batch dizer is running. Okay. As a low cell system, you can see this is low cell system. This is panel. It displays the weight of material inside the tank. Its weight is 26 kilograms. Let's put the bucket into here. It shows 10 kilograms. And then we put the bucket into here. The panel shows its weight is 36 kilograms. This also is very precise. Okay, Guangzhou SIPUXIN has 23 years experience of machine manufacture. We support OEM and ODM customization service. We can create exclusive equipment tailored to specific needs. Whether it's functional, adjustable, or detailed design, we can match that precisely